Hello guys, today we will unbox this Solognac Axis 75. This is how it is shipped. I bought it from Decathlon. As you can see, we have 25 millimeters the thickness of the blade. This is the steel. So it's a 5CR15, classical for these tools. Its length is 7.5 centimeters or 75 millimeters. It's impressive. Let's unbox it. We will use our stiletto to do this job. So as you know, it has here a safety. So let's cut the tape. So here, it's very hard to open. As you can see, you need a tool, another knife or something strong. So as you can see, it's very well secured also inside. So it's not easy to get it out. You will need a tool. Let's use the knife to see if we can cut this let me show you the box again. I don't know if I missed something. So look here, it's the safety. When you have the blade opened, this will block the blade. I will show you immediately how it works. Okay, let's see if we can cut this like this. It's very hard to get it out, guys. Okay, I managed to, as you can see, I cut it like this. Okay, looks tiny compared to the 8.5. It's exactly what we expected, and this one is legal to wear as a tool, at least in Romania. Although you should have it in a box or in a bag, not at sight. Okay, let's cut the oops. So, and we have another one here. Be careful when you unlock it. Be careful not to scratch it or do damage to it. So I will try to be very precise here, but I don't know how. Let's try like this. Cool. So let's get this out. Okay guys, let's see what we have here. So it's brand new, as you can see. I like its style a lot. The designers that built this thing did a amazing job. I like how it's finished here. Also here, it's very nice to hold it in your hand. You can have a very good grip of it. Okay, let's try to open it. Let's see if it goes. It's not going too fast. It's little and the blade is not heavy enough. For example. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. So let's take a look at the blade. So this is the blade. Okay, it has here the type of steel marked. So Solognac. I like this hole here. So let me show you the locking mechanism. So when the blade goes full up, this will come in and will block the blade. It's very, very strong, the block, so you can't get it back. And as you can see, the blade is very, very fixed. It's not moving at all. Okay. I like very much also this side. It's impressive how is polished or treated this metal. This one is very strong and you can attach it to your belt and you will not lose it, believe me. It's very, very strong. I like it a lot. Let's try again to see if we can launch the blade. So you can launch it. After many attempts, it will go much faster. Looks pretty sharp. We will test how sharp it is. Let's see if we can cut this and how easily. So as you can see, I'm not even adding too much force to it. So I'm happy with it. I like it a lot. It's tiny compared to this stiletto. It's a little one. It's a little guy. Okay. Let's see if we compare them like this. It's little. Nice. So this is it, guys. I hope you liked the video. I don't know if it can focus well enough. So it stays very well in your hand, has a very good grip. It will not slide. It's very compact, this knife. I recommend it to you. If you find it at Decathlon, buy one. It's very cheap. It's around 8 euros or something like that. The blade will not stay sharp for long. This is a soft steel, but it's easy to get it sharp in no time. It's very easy to sharpen it, to sharpen the blade. As you can see, this is how the blade is. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you don't mind, please subscribe. Less than 1% of you watching are subscribing. If you do so, you will greatly help our channel to grow, and we will hopefully be able to reach more people that have the same passion like us. Thank you guys, we love you. Thank you, bye bye.